Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where once again I will be sharing with you another quick tip for your LG OLED. Just want to say a quick thanks to all you subscribers out there, new and old, because we have just hit the 12,000 subscriber mark. So yeah, really chuffed with that, as I always am. And a massive thanks to every single one of you, because it does make a real big difference in supporting me and giving me the inspiration to make more content for you guys. So a massive thanks. Oh, and just one more thing. If you are subscribed to the channel, please do me the big favor of making sure that you hit the bell icon to make sure that you get notified of any new uploads of mine, because a lot of you guys have been missing out on some of my videos and I'd hate for you to do that. So make sure you hit the bell icon. So today's quick tip is regarding the gallery feature on the LG OLED. Now, a lot of you guys may have seen my previous video where I showed how you can actually get the gallery up with no signal shown, because I know a lot of you guys want that but don't want the no signal. Now, I will show you how to do this now. This isn't the tip itself, but part of the tip is within the gallery, so we'll just run through it anyway. So what you're going to want to do is grab your remote and press for the home button. Simply then scroll along until you get to gallery, and once on there, just open that up. And then simply select one of the galleries and press the scroll wheel and get it running. Now, for you guys who don't know about this, like I said, that is how you get the gallery up without the no signal, but that isn't the tip itself. That's just more of a bit of a bonus for any of you guys out there who ain't in the know. Now, a lot of people say to me, where is that location? That looked really nice in the background. I'd love to know where that was. And to be honest, I've been getting back to people and saying, I haven't got a clue, sorry. But all you've got to do, apparently, is grab your remote, press on the scroll wheel once, and there you go. Comes up with the location of where that photograph was taken to, which is handy if you want to know that sort of thing. But the fun don't stop there, folks. Oh no. Also, once you've got this up, what it allows you to do is, if I just turn this up, as you can hear, it plays a bit of music. And if that isn't to your liking, all you can simply do is highlight the music note there and bring up the music player. Now, this allows you to scroll through any music of your own that you may have on there, or even connect it, if you press up, to a like Bluetooth device or whatnot. So that's even better there, so you can select your own music. And you can even move the music player around by clicking on the icon that I've got highlighted. There you go. Like I say, just flick through any music that you may have on there. Press play, and there you go. Music that might be more to your taste. Not that this is to my taste, but anyway, there you go. You get the idea. So yeah, there you go. Another quick tip. So there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video today, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then why not? You are really missing out. A lot of my subscribers say I should have far more subscribers than I've actually got. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you would support my channel. And if you haven't already looked at my previous videos, then please go check them out. Loads of ones to do with TVs, QLEDs, OLEDs especially, and yeah, very, very popular videos. So please go check them out. So yeah, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.